Okay. Another equally local concern noon, sir, kay daghan nagreklamo sa Davao del Norte, no? Of course, kita diri sa dakbayan sa Davao, okay man tangari. Pero power situation, sir, as a requirement for business ventures and opportunities. Are you satisfied with
Of course
power?
not. Number one, ang problema lalo na dyan sa Del Norte, which is a growth area of Davao region, hindi lang lack of power supply, they have rotational brownouts, expensive pa.
Hala.
You ask any investor, that's the first question. How much is the cost of power? Ang cost of power sa Davao del Norte compared to Davao City, it's about 80%, 70% more.
Higher?
So, sino ang mag-ano dyan, mag-i-invest pa ganyan ng usapan? And more than that, hindi ka pa assured na continuous ang power supply. For example, Radyo Manjon, you're running a factory abroad, ang customer mo, may quota ka, tapos biglang nag-brown out. So, you cannot deliver. Sino ang magninegosyo ng ganyan? Hindi ka makadeliver. Baka mawala pa ang mga kliyente mo.
Would you rather, sir, that dili kooperatiba but Davao Light to extend its franchise in the area? Unsay tanaw nimo, sir?
Kung sino ang efficient na magbibigay ng power supply, dapat ibigay natin. Kasi yung sa case ng Davao del Norte, cooperative yan. Ang initial idea kasi ng cooperative, dahil walang magsiservice sa kanila na malaki na power operator, dahil konti pa sila, they try to build on their own. But as soon as they have built, tapos hindi na nila kaya ang requirements ng capitalization, dapat ibigay na nila dun sa may capital. There has to be a very clear line kung kailan magpo-progress ang isang lugar from co-op to private company. Lahat naman tayo nagsimula sa co-op eh.
Opo.
Pero bakit yung ibang area inano ng mga private companies na malalaki like Manila, Davao, Cebu, etc.
Sige, sir. We'll watch unsay development dito sa lower house man, sir, no?
Lower house, as the Senate has conducted an investigation and they are planning to file a counterpart measure. Baka i-adapt na lang nila yung version ng House.
Yes, and of course in the Senate as well. Sir, salamat kayo. We'll keep watch sa mga developments.